Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we kick off our new series, Data Analytics Basics, from outsider to insider. This series is intended towards folks who are relatively new to the practice or who want to make it to the practice. My intention is to bring you the relevant information which is required on data analytics floor. And the best topic to kick off this series is data types. Data being the oil to the analytics engine. Let's start off with its data types, right? Now, the first data type is time series data. The second will be cross-sectional data, and the third will be, and the final will be panel data. Now, the time series data, as the name suggests, has a date stamp as a column. Now, the interval or the frequency can vary. The interval can be weekly, monthly, or yearly data. It could be seconds data as well, depending upon the data curation. Now, here the data is monthly, as you can see. There are gaps of months, and along with the date column, we have KPIs or variables like sales volume value and sales of competition. Now, along with date stamp, there could be one or multiple columns in time series. Moving on to the next data type, which is cross-sectional data. The first attribute here is rather than having a timestamp as a column, we have a categorical column. For example, in a class, if there are 3, 4 folks and we want to tell their marks, so Mark got 58, that becomes Mark becomes a categorical variable here. Then John got 59. This is the second categorical variable. Now the data you see over here, it is divided by zones. You have got sales value, volume, and sales unit for each zone at a particular point in time. It could be the sales of the entire year. It could be the sales of a particular day. Now the date or the time at which this data has been recorded stays constant and uniform across all these geographies mentioned here. Alright, so the time here, let's say, is year 2019. So it will be 2019 for all of them. Alright, so there is no change in time interval over here or the timestamp. Moving on to the final data, which is panel data, it is a combination of time series and a cross-sectional data. Now for zone 1, you can see the entire year of 2018 and you've got a sales value, volume and sales of its competition for the entire year. And similarly, you've got it for zone 2 and then zone 3 as well. So time series in nutshell has a timestamp and an interval where things are happening over a horizon, while cross-sectional data has just one timestamp and the data is available for multiple values of a categorical variable, right? And when you combine these two, it becomes a panel data. All right, guys, this is it for our first video. I'll meet you in the next one.